guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophanie and I am back with another new look for you guys. So right now I just put on my wig cap and I am cutting a little piece on the front so I can see what I am doing. And after that I'm gonna grab my Got To Be glue spray and I'm gonna spray the front of my edges and add a little bit of Got To Be glue gel on my edges to lay the stocking wig cap down. And after that I'll just grab my blow dryer and blow dry it till it dries clear. So now I am cutting my stocking cap to where I want to place my wig. This is like a foundation for wig. Before I put on my wig, I always do a ball cap, especially if my wig is of lace front or frontal, if it has any lace in the front, especially for my edges. I usually do that ball cap method. So now I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue. I know this is not the right bottle because I switched the bottle the glue came in with because I couldn't use the glue in that bottle, so I had to switch it. So I'm going to be using 2 coats of glue. The first coat I'm going to let it air dry, and the second coat I'm going to blow dry it. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and take my Revlon foundation and add a little bit at the back of my hand. Take my foundation blending brush, dip it on that foundation and apply it to that stocking cap on my head to melt everything on my skin. So this is the wig. I bought this wig from AliExpress a few months ago. So everything is pretty much done with the wig. I already cut the extra lace and my French bangs. This wig comes with bangs. I already cut the bangs. And the only thing I haven't done to the wig is flat iron it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I glue down the wig. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you how I flat iron everything though. Let's see. So this is the bang. I didn't cut it on me. So right now I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut the little extra piece of hair that is longer than the other until I am satisfied with the bang. So here we are, done cutting my bangs and gluing down the wig. So let's jump into my makeup. Y'all already know how much I love this Black Radiance face oil, and especially right now my skin is really dry. We are in the cold weather. Even though I live in Florida, my skin is super dry right now, and this oil is very helpful. So yeah, before I do my makeup, I am going to apply this oil and then my ELF face primer. If you are wondering why I switched my top, this video did not shoot in the same day. I did my hair because I was going to church for New Year's, and my makeup in the next day because I didn't have anything to do that day. So I just make these 2 videos as one. If you are wondering, the foundation I'm using is my favorite Beauty Bakery foundation in number 315W, and I'm just gonna blend it in with my Real Technique beauty blender. So I'm going to be using this CoverGirl concealer I just bought from Walgreens, and this concealer was not it. I don't know, it's just not for me. It didn't really work for me, but at the end I like the result because I believe that I could use any type of makeup products because I love full coverage concealer and thick products that can cover my dark circles and stuff. But this concealer works perfect at the end. So the reason why this concealer is not for me, it has a watery consistency and I was not expecting it to be like that. So how I make it work is I waited 10 minutes plus to let it dry a little bit before I blend it in so I can have this nice full coverage that I was looking for. So if you're planning on using this concealer and you wanted a full coverage, I recommend you to allow some times for it to dry down a little bit before you actually blend it down. The second concealer that I use, the second darker shade, is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation in color Sand to have that light to dark contouring and highlighting type of effect on my face. I really love this method and I absolutely love the result after blending in everything in. So while I was in the store, I grabbed this Airspun setting powder. I haven't used this powder before. This is my first time and I absolutely love the smell. It has this really nice smell and I love the result. I love how it melted in my skin. So I did not plan to have any colors on my eyelid. So after I set my face and my eyelid, I decided to add some colors on my eyelid. So right now I'm going in with the Warrior 3 by GBFS Place and add a little bit of colors on my eyelids. Not too special, just a little bit because I feel like I'm missing something. So right now I'm going to sweep away the Airspun excess powder off my face and add a little bit of bronzer on my cheekbones because I'm not going to contour, and I absolutely love this Wet n Wild bronzer. It really does the job and it saved me so much time from contouring. As you can see, it gives me this warm glowy color on my cheeks and I love this color. I really love the result. So right now I am using the ELF eyeliner in jet black to draw my wing eyeliner and then go in with the Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette to contour my nose. I know y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, she forgot her brows. Why she didn't do her brows? Girl, trust me, I would not do my brows. Who got time when they have like a whole bang lay on their face and draw the brows? Trust me, don't expect me to. I would not do my brows. So right now, I'm just going to go in with the same palette from Juvia's Place and use this color as brush. So right now, I'm taking this Warrior eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place and take one shimmer shade from that palette to highlight the corner of my eyes. I really love highlighting this part of my eyes. It makes me look happy, I guess. Yeah, I really love that. I just used the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my lashes. So right now I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter. I think this is the Loyalty Highlighter. And I'm just gonna highlight my forehead, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my cheeks. So right now I am aligning my lips with my brow pencil and I'm going to use this Milani lipstick. Ugh, I am so not a fan of this lipstick, especially the smell, like a smoking smell. I'm so not a fan of it. I mean, it's a really nice color, but I don't like the smell, and I'm afraid to use it on my clients. So I don't know if I'm going to ever use this lipstick again, or should I put something else to it to eliminate the smell? I don't know. What do you guys think what I should do with this lipstick? Because I really love this color, but not the smell. So right now I am done with the look. I'm spraying my face with the Rose NYX setting spray and take my bangs down and go ahead and flat iron the hair off camera, and voila, this is the look, you guys. I absolutely love the result, and I bought these glasses from my friend Kaina, and I really love how this turned out. Really love it, and I regretted that I didn't have anywhere to go with this look because this really came out so pretty. I love the lipstick, and wow, this is so beautiful. You can wear this in any occasion, especially Valentine is coming up right now. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Bye bye. See you next time.